What's going down? It's Matt with Smoke Game Strong. We are here at Hot Luck El Fuego. This is episode 3, third part. It's going down right here in South Austin at Onion Creek Ranch. Super badass spot. We got my boy from Tilly's throwing down on the 1000 Centex smoker behind me. You see the tomahawks. We're gonna go around, get some great bites. It's going down, day 3. Let's go. All right, what's going down? Bumping into my boy Kareem here, KG Barbecue. Always throwing down the best.
Always good to see you, man. Always good to see you, brother.
My boy. This is the dish that I didn't get to try at my event last month at the Come and Smoke It. I know everybody enjoyed it. He had the biggest line. This is the lamb dish of the year, huh?
Yes.
Can you explain the dish to us?
Absolutely. So this currently is my favorite meat on the menu at KG Barbecue. This is a lamb shoulder that we rub with sumac and cinnamon. So it's kind of pulled and we serve it over the garlic yogurt sauce with fresh dill. And that is topped with fresh mint chimichurri, do'a, which is a spiced nut blend, or it's a condiment, it's an Egyptian condiment. And then we top it off with pomegranate seeds. So it's super light, it's bright, it's refreshing. I love doing this dish in festivals because I think of it as a almost like a palate cleanser. Everybody's eating rich meats and heavy fats, and then they come to us, you eat the fresh herbs and the yogurt and the tahini, and then that little cold sweet pop of pomegranate. And then people just come back for it. It's like, yeah, I would like to do that. It's like more on the lighter side.
Yeah, honestly, such a great dish. And the lamb came from
American Lamb Board.
American Lamb Board.
Yeah.
So they were a sponsor for the Come and Smoke It event.
Yes.
They sponsored it. You know, they had the lamb jam. We need to eat more lamb in the U.S., right?
Yes, absolutely.
Tell the people.
You need to eat more lamb. Lamb, I grew up eating lamb and mutton, and I don't want to go to mutton because I love the flavor. People think it's super gamey.
Never had it.
Yeah, it's like, people think lamb chops are gamey, and it really isn't.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't. I mean, our spices, I think, help with that. Some of our spices are more on the sharp, almost acidic tones, like sumac, for example.
It's great. It cleanses the palate.
Exactly. It really kind of overpowers that gaminess.
Yeah, exactly.
I love the guys here at American Lamb Board. This is the second year that they're sponsoring us here at Hot Luck. And also, they did something really cool. They're giving away small little tin containers of our lamb rub. And they have a recipe card for the lamb shoulder. So people kind of come in and try our lamb and then go to the booth and get a little portion of our lamb rub.
Okay, I need to go get the rub after this, but you heard...
Sign the waiver.
Oh, no. You heard it from the man first. Eat more lamb, y'all.
Yes.
It's the year of the lamb. KG Barbecue, Austin, Texas.
Thank you so
My
much.
boy. Tzatziki, pomegranate, chimney. Full bite, full send. Ready? Listen, I know most people don't eat lamb. Not many people go and buy a lamb shoulder. But I'm telling you, you need to eat more lamb. Season it the way it's supposed to be seasoned, and it is one of the best meats you will ever eat. KG, killing the game, baby. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No rodeo. KG, baby. KG Barbecue. All right, shrimp dog, salmon roe, caviar, Huckleberry at Still Austin. They're having their 3-year anniversary. They do fantastic dishes. This is insane. Let's see what's good. Wow, shrimp dog is fantastic. Never had nothing like this before in my life. All right, we're here with my boy Huckleberry. Davis from Huckleberry, right out of Still, Austin. I just had the dish, it's fantastic. Tell me about that shrimp dog.
So we just pretty much made a traditional hot dog, but instead of all pork or beef, we did 60% shrimp, 40% pork. Cured it for 2 days, smoked it for a couple hours, chilled it down, then just made it kind of bougie. Put some aioli, a little bit of caviar topper, and had the fun.
So what was the white? It was like a.
So the whites are aioli. We
Okay.
have a lemon aioli. Then we have a smoked salmon roe, and then a flying fish roe as well.
So what kind of casing did you use on the shrimp?
We used lamb casing.
Lamb?
Yeah.
Okay. 'Cause it was smaller, so I figured. Yeah. I like lamb casing. You know, I like the size of a hot dog in a lamb casing size. So
We never actually made them before in lamb. We've always done hog, so it's a bit of a
different.
a
Yeah.
little bit different.
Yeah, a little test run, you know. The bread was fantastic too. What kind of bread did you use?
It's our hollow roll.
You make it? You make
No,
it?
so we get that brought in from Houston. Every other day they make all of our bread for us in house. I mean, we're in a food trailer, so we're
I
limited.
didn't
We have to be
know-
picky.
for sure. Hey, everything was top notch on that dog. So go see my boy at Huckleberry, right here in Austin.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff, man.
Hey man.
Yeah,
Thanks,
appreciate it.
dude.
Yeah, it was great. All right, y'all, bumped into one of my great sponsors here, Creekstone Farms. Chuck from Creekstone, they sponsor this event. Man, Creekstone is one of the top leading meat all around. What do you guys do? You guys do
All right,
beef
so
or
I'm
pork?
Chuck Godwin. I'm the regional sales manager for Creekstone Farms in Texas. We are 100% black Angus beef out of central Kansas. We do 100% grain-fed beef that is served in some of the top restaurants and barbecue joints in the state. We are proud to partner with folks like Goldie's Barbecue, Interstellar Barbecue, Corkscrew, True, Tejas. Those are some really good folks that we do business with, and then we also have a lot of business on the steak scene as well. So we got some prime ribeyes behind us grilling from Chef Andy. Just some really, really good Creekstone Farms products.
Yeah, I was even on YouTube recently and seeing Creekstone in Amsterdam. You know, I was watching
So we export all around the world. We do a ton of business to Europe. We're one of the largest exporters of beef to Europe, of American beef, and then we do a ton of business in the Asian markets as well.
Awesome, yeah, guys. So Goldie's, Interstellar, all these top barbecue places, Truth, Creekstone, baby. So you can go online and purchase Creekstone.
Yeah, creekstonefarms.com. We've got an e-com website. You can purchase Creekstone there.
So if you guys want to get the best brisket, like all the top barbecue places in Texas, go get
creekstonefarms.com.
Boom. All right, just ran into my boy Northcutt cooking for Big Green Egg today, huh?
Yeah, man. They found out I wasn't working hot luck, so they scored me.
So this guy's the culinary scene behind the scenes of all the festivals, and it's, you know, just anything, the high-end stuff that's around Austin. When I look in the background, Northcutt's usually behind the scenes. So.
I'm the hustler hustling the chefs. So I can't take credit for anything, but from a brand alignment perspective, I do hang out with a lot of cool chefs.
What was your dish today? What did you do?
Today I did so normally I do like a fried chicken with hawks, but I did a grilled, like a smoke grilled Big Green Egg tenderloin, and then we reverse seared it and served it. Like we toss it in like a traditional Nashville hot oil, but then I did like a peri-peri sauce, Portuguese style.
That was the green sauce?
That's a green sauce, but instead of doing like a Thai or a bird's eye chili, I did serrano. So I did like a Tejano fix on it. Yeah, a little cilantro, lime. You know, it's kind of Portugal meets Nashville meets Texas meets Mexico. I mean, dude, if you don't have fusion, you don't have food.
Yeah, for real. Like, yeah, if you're not like touching like 3 different areas on a dish, who are you? You know what I'm saying? But so you're out at COTA too, right? You do like some culinary stuff out at COTA?
Culinary director for the Formula One villages. They'd call them the COTA culinary villages. So I bring in pit masters and chefs and do a bunch of pop-ups and bring bring in a bunch of big rigs and just have fun.
So that's the only F1 track here in the country, right?
So there's one in Miami,
Okay.
and there's a street track that's going to pop up in Las Vegas.
Oh.
But the only permanent track in the States, like it's the only track in Texas.
In F1. So
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
so the badass F1 track, Coda, there's some badass food going down.
Ton of food.
You know what I'm saying? You might know who's behind it right here. So yeah, man, great stuff today.
Yeah,
Always great to see you,
yeah.
man.
It's so good to see you,
You
brother.
know?
Appreciate you,
Yeah,
man.
I'm sure, man.
Talk,
So,
talk about someone who's behind the scenes, but on the scene. This dude.
hey, man, you know, you gotta
everywhere.
you gotta touch bases all around, you know. So always good stuff, man.
Appreciate you, brother.
All right, I'm here with my boy Chewy from Monterey, Mexico. I knew you were gonna throw down. I see my boys from Old Jimmy earlier. They told me I had to come and see you. So tell me what you did today. What was your dish?
Es una cachetada de ribeye. Tiene queso asadero, milanesa de ribeye, una salsa de chimichurri de cilantro y aguacate.
What is your place called in Monterey?
Se llama Cara de Vaca. Es un restaurante que está en Monterrey.
Listen, I'm going down there October to my boys Rivas's barbecue spot. I'm gonna come down there and see you, man.
Thank you.
So appreciate the dish, man.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, brother.
All day, every day.
All right, this thing looks insanely good. It's hot. Wow. Day 3, episode 3. It's a wrap from Hot Luck Festival. I got a flounder taco here from the boys at Suerte. I got a ribeye bomb ass taco from the guys from Monterey, Mexico. I'm gonna crush these. I'm out. Matt from Smoke Game Strong. Hot Luck 2023. Until next time. Peace.